Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for visiting Motorcars.